Day 49. Let's pause and look back at everything since day 41. You learned how to work with indicators and shape your data, what an indicator is, what a consolidator is, add universe, and universe settings. A few things are worth double checking before you move on. An indicator takes price data and turns it into a signal, like a moving average. A consolidator builds bigger bars out of smaller ones, like turning minute data into hourly data. Add Universe lets your algorithm pick its own assets based on rules you define, instead of you naming them one by one. Universe settings controls things like resolution and leverage for every asset your universe selects. Before day 50, try the practice task below. Add one indicator to track price. Build a consolidator that turns minute data into daily bars, and set up a universe with custom universe settings. That's day 49. See you at day 50.